seconds while you dream.
Hi, good evening, Ma'am Marian. Si Kong Daine with this informational video. This is the local edition. So, of course, as a potential investor, atong tukion nga kuan nganong paborable sa imong bahin nga mo-invest ka ani. So, atong pangutan-on ang mga pangutana nga angay pangutan-on ug atong hibal-on ang information. Although I know you know a lot of them already, nga angay natong hibalon. So, of course, kailangan ta manigurado nga ko ano. Sigurado bago ning mahimo ning ko nila international airport o kanus mauman. O asa pa dapita mo lugar nga kuan maayo sa imong kwarta. O kung say standard price, basic, o why should you buy the proposed lot? Okay? So, sigurado ba yun nga materialize ang ilang airport? Of course, last August 7, 2014 nga news, secured na kuan gipirmahan na nila ni 17.6 billion funding for the proposed project. Bantog rang daghan na kay murag nga buang ni mga tawo. Anyway, for additional information, mo triple daw ang mga influx of passengers per year. Gikan sa 800,000 ang current estado sa ato ang syudad to 2.5 million passengers per year. So, diya sila na managana nga daghang tao nga moabot. Of course, business could be had on the area. And this project covers 197 hectares of land. So, massive ni siya. Dili basta-basta, perhaps the biggest in Negros Oriental. So, atong itakmo ang area sa proposed airport o sa lot for sale. Of course, di ko talaga nang mag-situated this likod. Kaya wa ko na negosyo diya or kuan. Perhaps living quarters, apartments sa mga empleyado and decide kay wa gyud eh. Most favorable ani kas dalan napita. And vis-a-vis the proposed site, kani Lumina ni siya ma'am, kani Lumina Homes. This is Richwood subdivision pod. So between dere kung naa ta diri dapita, most likely for residential purposes na siya. For the employees sa sa proposed airport, because of course we are expecting this is a massive undertaking. So it's going to employ a lot of employees and tapok-tapok ko ni mga tao dire ang dapita po for that operation. And this is the current situation sa trisection area sa Dumaguete, Bacong o Valencia Road. And of course, nganong naani siya dire ang dalan pa sa airport na adre dapita. Of course, this has already been developed, so ilaha pasulod na lang. And kasi standard prices sa lots, of course, sa mga taga dire nakabalo na tanan nga mao ni siya standard price 2,000 to 2,500 sa mga roadside, mga barangay road. Kung sa highway, mas mataas po na siya. And 1,800 for interior lots with right of way. So most likely kuan na po na siya. Ang utility ana we will discuss later. But of course, nakoy sample data sa mga lots tapad sa ako na mention ng subdivision. So, mo ni siya Lumina Homes, ang link na adere. So, for 45 square meters, ilang ibaligya og 1.8 million kada unit, of course. they are also considering kaning kuan cost of materials, project cost. But if we compute the investment of the lot itself in regards to the current price, they're only investing 64,800 per unit, no? So they are really making a killing out of it. And of course, kinahanglan sample data must be 2 or more, no? Para na accuracy. So we have a sample data from the nearby subdivision, Richwood Homes Pod, for the 40 square meter unit. They are selling it for 1.6 million. And if we multiply and determine their current investment vis-a-vis the current selling price sa area, they're only investing 72,000 per unit. So, well, maoro na computation I can give you. I cannot give you the computation of construction cost, and maybe you can do your own computations. So, is it feasible? Ang kaning proposed area, of course, dool na siya dere sa Lumina Homes. Mas dool pa siya sa Richwood Homes, which is an interior lot also. So, more or less the sample data is somewhat more or less accurate siya. So, mo na siya picture sa entrance to the road going to the lot. Makita nimo it's a concrete road, and this area around here is the edge of the entire area, which is also for sale, but for 2,500 kay duol man siya sa kuan sa dalan, and interior lots mo ni siya entrance. So the proposed area is a third lot from the right, which is an interior area, no? So of course mo ni siya picture, it's a farmland, but for this price and compared to our sample data, mas barato gud siya, no? Yeah. But with that said, in conclusion, is it wise to invest in this lot? Well, for me, honestly, mingon ko nga, if the lot is not situated near the main thoroughfare of the proposed airport, naara siya sa mga back roads and corner lot siya, I think it is better to invest on interior lots because ang utility parihara nga it is for residential purposes only, for the proposed influx, for the potential influx of people that are going to live around here. Ang uban, for me personally, I'm not going to buy a roadside lot which is not in the main thoroughfare, because ang utility parihara, you cannot establish a business there. All the utility there is for residential purposes only, sa proposed for the anticipated influx of employees and people in the area. So that is my humble opinion, and I leave the rest to your sound disposition. Thank you for watching, ma'am, and have a good day.
Taste